Good morning, everyone. Just got a brief introduction to SignageLive, what we deliver, how we deliver it, and then I'll move on to a recent case study we have in the UK with a worldwide company that's expanding over the next 2 years. SignageLive are a cloud-based digital signage company. We work with all platforms, be it Windows, Android, Linux. We can deliver across all platforms. Our strapline is if you have a screen, we can deliver media to it, be it touch integration, video walls, rollouts from one screen to 10,000 screens. You can all be managed off of one network. So create an opportunity with technology. What technology enables us to do is come up with a business model to open up new projects with technology. We do that by the infrastructure we have in place that I'll touch on and the price point we can achieve through that infrastructure. So we have digital signage that tracks your network with rollout customers and customers across the world. On large projects, we have a sliding scale business model that moves up and down as your business grows or decreases. So from cost point of view, we turn it into an operational cost instead of a capital cost, so no big upfront cost for digital signage. If you have 1,000 connections on the network and you only sweep for 500 are used on the network that month, you will only be billed for those. So it's a sliding scale with your business as the network's used. We're hardware agnostic. We work with all hardware manufacturers from AOpen, Advantech, Nexcom, LG, Samsung. We have installers for Magic Info and LG Supersign. And what that enables us to do is to deliver the right solution for the project. You know, if you have 10 people working on a digital signage project, they all want something slightly different from signage. How we work, being hardware agnostic, allows us to deliver this. We're a multilingual platform. Currently support 10 languages, Spanish included. There's a roadmap for the development of this is being expanded, and as we bring new language packs into the platform, everyone will have that. It's a cloud-based product. As there's updates and new language packs and new features, such as the Intel AIM integration we have, it's updated for you in the cloud. So whether you purchase SignageLive now or in 12 months' time, you'll have exactly the same features. We're a global product. The infrastructure that I'll move on to enables to be global. We have projects in Australia, Japan, many projects in the US and all over Europe. At SignageLive, we're your operational center. There's no servers or FTPs involved. We are your infrastructure. We're your support center. We deliver support through free training and support to the resellers, as well as end user support via the live chat in the software. So every user of SignageLive has free support. We partner with Rackspace hosting to deliver our solution globally. Rackspace are the world leader in cloud hosting solutions across all IT platforms. This really enables us to have a true global cloud solution where, regardless of your position in the world, everyone can check into the same premium service regardless of your location. All you need is a web browser and you can access and manage your SignageLive network. The case study I want to just briefly touch on today is with Spar Group. This is a recent one for us which is constantly developing and growing over the next 2 years. Spar, as you can see, they have 12,000 sites across the globe. I think they have 900 sites in the Spanish region, 2,500 in the UK. With 3 licenses per store, it's a potential of 7,500 units there for the project. The reasons why they chose SignageLive we can move on to in some quotes for the head of Spar Group UK shortly. Partly it's because of the competitive price and ease of use. And the reasons for the ease of use we'll move on to. It's the local integration. Now, Spar are the local region retailer. They want to be close to their local customers. So it's important for them to brand the whole large marketing message as well as local messaging to regions. We also offer the integration with products such as Flypaper, and that's how Spar manage their network. They're gathering the information, put it all together through Flypaper and publish it through SignageLive to their network of players. So the key thing from Spar's take on this was engagement is critical for success. They wanted to engage with the local public in the stores and have local promotions as well as regional promotions and countrywide promotions. How SignageLive deliver via tag-based players, we can manage this by groups of players, be it with tags of products such as coffee or Coca-Cola, or we can tag by region or town. Just a quote here from the head of the SPA group, and the ability to manage content en masse or site-by-site basis. They really wanted the managers to have some control of the signage and how they manage SPA TV across the UK. The central marketing manager has access to the playlist and can distribute content en masse. The local manager then has access to 2 parts of the playlist where he can drop in local content and local advertising to his customers, so they can keep it really local. We can see here on one of the early cases on the revenue based on the digital signage, Britvic company, the drinks company, had an uplift of 40% sales across the board with SPA Group, which is massive. It's you know, that kind of revenue is just unheard of now. And it's the difference in between getting those local messages across to the people on the street rather than an on-site massive message that doesn't communicate to all the local people in different regions. People by region buy different products, and SPA really wanted to communicate the small message to the small guy on the street. So users of SignageLive. We're not restricted by market because of our business model, so you'll see SignageLive in the US, over the NFL stadiums, in Premiership sports stadiums in the UK, from hotel groups, retail. We cover just about every market there is through to bespoke kiosk solutions and video wall rollouts. So the flexible network has proved key to some of our clients. We've just recently started working with the UK airports, which is again rolling out over the next 12 months for flight information boards. And it's the flexible business model that enables us to open the projects and unlock this. Just going back to the cloud infrastructure, it's really key for us. You know, when marketing budgets are so tight with the economy the way it is in most European subsidiaries, yeah, we can have the conversation with the model, get the right solution, and deliver that through SignageLive. And I think creating through some of the large projects as an operational cost on a monthly cost rather than an upfront capital cost has made a huge difference when we're talking to people about the financials involved and the heads of marketing and heads of the companies that we deal with. So instant messaging was the key with the SPA, as well as some other projects we have rolling now through Europe. The local messaging has been really important for us, and how SignageLive, you can lock down the users so you can give managers local access, whether it's access to a RSS newsfeed or 2 parts of the playlist or a certain amount of images in the playlist. You can really manage it as an administrator to deliver it in the right way that the customer needs. So it's just a brief touch on what SignageLive deliver. If you have any further questions, I've got my details with me, or contact people at Crambo for further information. We give out a free 30-day trial, which comes fully supported. So during the free 30-day trial, you have access to full support. So if you have any questions about how do I configure for video walls or different platforms, all the support's there for you right through the process. So any questions, please go via Crambo Account Manager, and we'll cover those off for you. Okay. That's me, thank you.